Have you been hit with the hardware ID ban in games like Fortnite, Valorant, Rust, or Apex Legends? If you've been unable to create new accounts or keep getting blocked, it's likely your hardware has been flagged by the game's anti-cheat system. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you just want to jump back into the action. But don't worry, because there's a solution. You don't have to settle for being locked out of your favorite games forever, because you can use what's called a hardware ID spoofer. Using it, you can bypass these bans and start fresh as if you're on a brand new device. This powerful tool changes the serials of key components in your PC, like your CPU, GPU, and motherboard, tricking the game into thinking you're on a completely different device. To get unbanned, however, you'll need a trusted and working spoofer, like the one I'll be using in this video, with thousands of vouchers and is currently one of the top spoofers on the market. The spoofer I'll be using in this video is from Divine Cheats. I will leave a link to their website in case you want to check it out. But like I said earlier, they have thousands of vouchers, over 8,000 to be exact. They have a variety of products for several different games, such as Fortnite, Rust, and Valorant. But what we're focused on is getting unbanned. So we're going to go with their permanent hardware ID spoofer, which is only $24.99. They have a one-time and a lifetime. The lifetime is a bit more expensive, but this is suited towards cheaters who are going to constantly get banned and will need to repeatedly use it. The one-time, it's only if you want to get unbanned once just to play again. And if you do want to buy, make sure you use code MATRIX at checkout for a discount. Once you purchase the Divine Hardware Spoofer, go ahead and open up your serial checker that you will receive in your email and take a screenshot using the snipping tool of your serials. After that, just save it onto your desktop and name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it serials.png. As you can see, it's there on my desktop. And after that, just close this and open up your text file that has your license key. Copy it. And then go ahead and open up your loader as administrator. Wait for it to load up. And then paste in your license key and log in. Once you log in and see the spoofer menu, go ahead and open up the spoofer tab. And then all you're going to need to do is click permanent spoof. But if you have an ASUS, you will need to click EFI spoof or ASUS spoof. Just click permanent spoof and just wait a couple of minutes. I will get back with you once it's done. After the spoofing is completed, you will see this text on the bottom saying permanent spoof completed. And all you're going to want to do from here is close the loader and restart your computer to apply all the changes. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once you restart your computer, go ahead and open up the serials you saved earlier. Put them to the side and open up the serial checker so you can see your current ones and compare them. Put them side by side and make sure everything has been changed. As you can see, everything has been changed, including my volume serial number, along with everything else, meaning the spoofing was successful. Anyways, once you confirm that everything has been changed, you no longer have to deal with any of these annoying hardware ID bans on any game again.